to my channel. So in this video, I'm just a little excited, okay? But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
thank you so much for clicking on this video. I super appreciate it. All my old time subscribers, y'all know how I feel about y'all. It's no secret, okay? Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video as well. Y'all know, like, y'all just already know. So, as you can tell by the title, I got something in the mail. Came in this fabulous box. But yeah, I just wanted to say this for the video purposes. I'm about to get rid of this because it's been taking up too much room. You probably have been seeing this stuff all over Instagram, all over YouTube or whatever, all up in the videos.
All in the video.
So this is the new Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. Girl, they got everything. So we're gonna start with the moisturizing dry defense shampoo, Pure Honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no silicones, for dry and dehydrated hair, okay? Then we're gonna move on to the conditioner. Of course, the shampoo and conditioner in the line. Same thing, no sulfates or mineral oil. So this is the shampoo bottle, really cute or whatever, you know. Then what I'm really excited to try is this hair mask, okay? Moisture replenish and strength. Oh, I love this smell. Although it says it's creamy, it's not super thick, but you know, that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna test all these, you know, I keep it real. We're gonna test all these products out. Oh, we have the Not Away Leave-In Detangler. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna use this because my hair is very easy to detangle, so I should be okay with just using either the hair mask or the conditioner, but we'll see. I may need to, you know, you never know. Yeah, so we have that. All right, then we have the leave-in conditioner. Okay, break up breakage. Okay. Dry damaged hair. Come on. It's very creamy. Yeah, it seems like it's light yet creamy. We ain't gonna waste no products. Then they have their texturizing curl setting lotion, which we're gonna be using today. Now I'm gonna keep it real, I'm not a big fan of setting lotions. I feel like they don't really do much for me. I'd rather use a gel if I'm quite honest. And then I'm not sure how I like this top because it's so runny. I don't really care for that already. Okay, so of course they have to have an edge control, right? You just not doing it if you don't have an edge control in your line. Let's get it started. Okay, you guys, so we have the shampoo, which we know has no sulfates, no mineral oil. It's supposed to provide healthy shine, detangle, and soften and cleanse the hair. It's very creamy. Y'all have to get a little bit more. Okay. It's supposed to help restore moisture for healthy looking hair. We know that it's infused with pure honey, certified natural coconut oil, and shea butter.
Hallelujah.
Now, when I tell y'all this stuff is amazing, I am not exaggerating. This stuff is quite awesome. My scalp felt good. It felt cleansed. My hair felt cleansed and soft. I mean, look at my definition.
Hallelujah.
Y'all see that? Do y'all see my definition? I had to check my hair to make sure I had all the soap off. Like, it felt amazing. So next we have the hair mask, okay? It's supposed to strengthen and help to prevent frizz, and it's supposed to replenish moisture along with having a super slip detangler. I don't know about the super slip detangler. The slip wasn't really that important to me, but if it is for you, I didn't really feel like there was a whole bunch of slip. It was enough to work my fingers and detangle my hair. So I just threw my hair up into a bun and deep conditioned for 5 to 10 minutes. But y'all, it's Not Away Leave-In Detangler. Y'all see that? Okay, the Not Away Leave-In Detangler, y'all, is supposed to smooth the cuticle, remove knots, improve manageability, instantly detangle, help to repair and restore moisture. This stuff felt amazing to the hair. It was like putting a really thick butter on your hair. It just melted right into my hair. This stuff right here is one of my favorites out of the line. This stuff is awesome. Yeah, no complaints. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this roller set. These are the rollers I chose to use, which are the orange ones. Y'all, Jesus help me, this is what I was thinking. But anyway, backstory, I used to do roller sets all the time and twist and curls all the time back in about 2009 when I first started my hair journey. And yeah, I couldn't master a wash and go, so I did them a lot. So we're gonna revisit, have some fun. I chose to use their Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. It's very smooth, you guys. It's supposed to not give you any flakes. because it's non-sticky, non-greasy. It's supposed to define and elongate your curls. It's long-lasting hold, giving you a soft feel for shiny curls. Now, it also did say you can rock it for a wash and go. And I was like, look at that. Look at that. But I wanted to show you guys that if you guys wanted to use it for a wash and go, let me know. Or if you want me to do it, go ahead and like this video and I'll try it for a wash and go. But anyway, so I'm not a fan of the setting lotion. It's very runny and messy. I didn't like how you have to pour it out. I wish it was like maybe a foam or something, but I'm just not a fan of setting lotions, period. But I chose to try to incorporate as much as I could. So all I'm doing is sectioning my hair and then 2-strand twisting it down about halfway, taking my dimming brush to kind of smooth the curl, wrapping the ends, tucking the ends, and then doing like a winding up motion up to about a little underneath my root, not super tight. Try to give it some hang time if I could, you know, get some length. So I used to do this process back in the day where I would just 2-stranded. I would usually go all the way down, but for this, we're gonna go halfway. We're gonna go ahead and smooth it out with whatever tool works for you, and then add you enough product and get your perm rod, and then just, you know, twist it on up and then wind it up. And I just, again, chose to stop underneath my root just to kind of give it some hang time. I'm showing y'all that I'm just working out this texturizing lotion. I just really felt like it could have been in a different type of bottle. But yeah. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning. So this is what I did. So I took this one out about a few hours ago, but it looks like it's cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take these out. And yeah, I'm just hoping for good results. Okay. One down, okay. Okay, so my hair feels super duper soft, extremely hydrated. It feels more than moisturized, like it feels just healthy. Just real quick, I'm gonna go through what I like about each product very quick. Okay, one word. This shampoo, yes. Okay. I did not use the conditioner, but I have a feeling that it's bomb. The mask was definitely, my hair felt very hydrated, but it didn't feel like, it didn't wow me. Not a way leave-in detangler. Yes. The twisting cream, the Moisture Whip twisting cream, very hydrating. This stuff is awesome. The twisting cream gets a yes. But yeah, this it's just, it didn't wow me. The last but not least is the edge control. As far as the 24-hour hold and control, I doubt that for me. It does really feel really good. You use the edge control and your fingers, like, you have to just go wash your hands immediately. Not with this. It's a super duper plus because I know I'm not going to get a lot of buildup. It melts away into my hair. Not too bad, and I'm very shocked. Jesus, Hezekiah and them, Kirk Franklin, Yolanda, all of them had something to do with this line. I don't care for everything in the entire line, but for the most part, I like almost everything. If you're looking for like that moisturizing Okay, I'm talking about like that really good hydrating type of products. Definitely look into these. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It will really, really, really make my day. I love you guys so, so very much, and I will see you guys in my next video.